Hi, little cockatiel. Hi. Can you say hi? Hey. Oh, is he loose?
No, nobody's loose.
Oh.
He's cute though, right?
This big guy?
Princess Peach.
I don't see him.
Yeah, she's right here. Her feet are hanging on right there.
Right there. How come
She's right there.
she's blending in?
Uh-huh.
You blend in like powder. Like a big bag of powder on the wall. What's over here? Anything over here?
No, nothing's over there.
This is a little
This guy
cockatiel.
Yeah, he's got kind of a gray body, little white on the tip of the wings, and then a yellow head. And like orange for his cheeks.
Yep.
They're so cute.
How long have you been here, little guy? Been here quite a while. What's going on with you?